Hi, my name is Dylan DeSigio with Fusion CPA, and today I want to take a couple minutes to talk to you guys about Zola Suite, which is a case management and accounting software for law firms. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into Zola's website and check out the blog. As you can see here on our blog, Zola Suite is going to help your law firm excel and achieve their financial goals by combining a powerful accounting system, the best case management capabilities, and a fully integrated email client, all with tools that are native to the platform. Some benefits of using Zola Suite include attorneys and paralegals no longer having to spend an extensive amount of time calculating cost or billable hours. And you can choose to round up your increments on a per matter basis, increasing the accuracy and reliability of your records. Now, Zola Suite also has a dedicated Android and iOS app so that you can have access to all of your data on the go and can even start a matter-related timer on your smartphone with a single click. This feature is great whenever you have to suddenly move locations. And calendar events can also be designated as billable time and activities, and task entries can be converted to time entries so that you never forget to bill for any of your work. And while Zola Suite has a fully robust accounting system developed exclusively for law practices, we recognize that some firms like to use Quickbooks. So Zola Suite offers an efficient Quickbooks Online integration. Zola Suite's QuickBooks Online integration allows CPAs to streamline law firm accounting tasks with efficiencies like the ability to view law firm financial data in real time. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out Zola Suite's website and just scroll through that real quick. So as we've already kind of talked about, they have a great case management and robust bill and accounting and reporting system. And then they also have an intelligent email management. If you wanted to kind of schedule a demo and see if this is something that could be useful for your law firm, you can go ahead and do that here on their website. Or you can kind of come back here all the way to the bottom of our blog and you can hit this Speak with the CPA Today button. What that will do is that will bring you to this page where you can book a free discovery call with one of our CPAs here at Fusion CPA, and they'd be more than happy to talk to you about Zola Suite and if that could be a good option for your law firm. If you don't want to just book a free discovery call and you just want to go ahead and call us or shoot us an email, you can come and scroll to the bottom of our page and give us a call at 404-955-7338 or shoot us an email at info@fusiontaxes.com. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Again, my name is Dylan DeSigio with Fusion CPA. We really appreciate your time and hope this video has been informational and educational, especially for those law firm owners out there who are struggling with their accounting or their case management. If you have any additional questions, feel free to drop us a line or shoot us an email. We always love hearing from you guys and answering any questions that you may have. And until next time, have an absolutely amazing day.